Good morning students. Welcome to 10th Maths online class. I am Sheba from Department of Mathematics. I hope all are safe by God's grace. In previous class you learned about geometric progression. Today I am going to explain you about series in GP. First we have to learn the formulas. Sum to n terms of geometric progression, that means GP. Geometric progression GP. Okay. Sum to n terms of a geometric progression. Then a series whose terms are in geometric progression is called the geometric series. What is meant by geometric series? A series whose terms are in geometric progression is called geometric series. What is meant by series? Sum of the terms of a sequence is called the series. Okay, that means what we can write? The sum of the terms of a sequence is in geometric progression is called geometric series. Okay. Then sum of the geometric progression, in short form, sum of the geometric progression is called the geometric series. Okay. That means here we have to take the geometric progression GP, A comma AR square, etc., A r power n minus 1 be the GP, isn't it? Then geometry series is sum of the n terms. Sum of the n terms. That means Sn is equal to this A plus AR plus AR square plus etc. plus A r power n minus 1. Okay. Then therefore the sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression is Sn. Sum of the n terms, that means Sn is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus etc. plus A r power n minus 1. Okay. Then the sum of the first n terms of GP is, some formulas are there. Okay. First one, Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay. If this r is greater than 1, r is greater than 1 means then we have to use this formula. Okay. Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is meant by r? R is the common ratio. What is A? A is the first term. Okay. How we can find out the common ratio? Second term divided by first term. Okay. Second term divided by first term. Okay. And second one, Sn is equal to, sum of the first n term is equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. When we have to use this formula? If r is less than 1, first we have to find out r value. Okay. That r value is less than 1 means we have to use this formula. Okay. Sn equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay. Then third one, Sn is equal to Na. If r equal to 1, if r equal to 1 means then we have to use which formula? Sn is equal to Na. Sn is equal to Na. Correct? Then next one, the sum of the infinite terms of GP. One more formula is there. Okay, the sum of the infinite terms of a GP is, that is S infinitive. N terms means Sn. Like that here, infinite terms, infinitive terms. Okay, that means then S infinitive. Okay, S infinitive is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus etc. etc. It will come. Okay, no end. That is infinite. Then S infinity is equal to, what's the formula? A divided by 1 minus R is the formula. S infinitive is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. Then this R is lies between minus 1 and 1. Okay. Then where A is equal to, here A is equal to, here minus 1 less than or less than 1. Okay. Where A is called the first term. R is called the common ratio. Am I correct? Then where A is called the first term, then R is equal to, R is the common ratio of this series. Okay, first term is A. Then how we can find out the common ratio? Second term divided by first term, we will get R value. Isn't it? Very clear? Then you say, what is meant by series? Sum of the terms of a sequence. Isn't it? Sum of the terms of the sequence is called the series. Okay. Then these formulas, at once you study these formulas. Okay. Then Sn equal to, suppose R greater than 1 means this formula, sum of n terms. This formula we have to use. Then R less than 1 means then we have to use this formula. Okay. Just opposite. Here R power n, here 1 minus R power n. That's the difference. Okay. Then third one, then sum of n terms. Suppose R is equal to 1. If we get means this formula we have to use. Okay. Then infinitive formula is same. Then S infinitive is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. Where A is first term and R is the common ratio. Okay. Now we have to see some simple problems using these formulas. Okay. Then first one, find the sum of first 6 terms of a GP. 5, 15, 45, etc. Isn't it? Then question is, find the sum of first 6 terms. Okay. Find the sum of first 6 terms. That means then Sn equal to, what is given? GP is given. Sum we have to find first. Okay. Then solution, Sn equal to, okay, Sn equal to 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus etc. etc. Okay. This is a series. Okay. Then from here, which is here A is A equal to, here A equal to 5. Correct? A is the first term. Okay. Then R equal to second term divided by first term. Which is the second term here? 15. Isn't it? 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. Shall we cancel this one? Okay. 1, 5 is 5. Here 3. Isn't it? Therefore, R equal to 3. Okay. Then here n equal to, what is given here? Find the sum of first 6 terms. 6 terms means here n equal to 6. Number of terms 6. Am I correct? Okay. Then now you check here R equal to 3, isn't it? This is greater than 1 or less than 1? Very good. It is greater than 1. Then greater than 1 means already I gave one formula, isn't it? Which is the formula? Can you say Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, here r is when r is greater than 1 means we have to use this formula. Okay, then shall we substitute these values here? Very good. Then 5 into r value is 3, then power 6 minus 1, okay, divided by r value is 3, isn't it? 3, then minus 1, okay, then equal to 5 into 3 power 6. 3 power 6 means how we can find 3 power 6? 3 into 3 into 6 times we have to multiply. Okay, 6 times 3 3s are 9, isn't it? Then 9 3s are 27. Then 27 into 3, 27 into 3 is 81, isn't it? Then 81 into 3 is, multiply, 1 3 is 3, then 8 3s are 24, isn't it? Then one more 3 also we have to multiply. Multiply means what we will get? 3 3s are 9, then 4 3s are 12, 1 balance, then 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7, isn't it? Then 729 minus this 1, close the bracket, okay, divided by 3 minus 1 is 2, correct? And equal to 5 into is to multiply, subtract. 729 minus 1 is 728, okay, divided by 2. Shall we cancel this one? 1 2 is 2, here cancel. Then how many 2s are in 7? 3, isn't it? 3, then 1 balance, then 12 is there. Then how many 2s are in 12? Very good. 4, then how many 2s are in? Okay, 6. Then how many 2s are in 8? 4. Okay, then this 2 we have to multiply. 5 into 364. Okay, 364 into 5. Can you multiply? Then 4 5s are 20. 2 balance. 6 5s are 30. Then add this one, 32. Okay. Then 3 balance. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Okay. Then here what's the value? 1820. 1820. Okay. Our question is find the sum of first 6 terms of the GP. Sum of 6 terms. Okay. That means this is Sn formula. Okay. 6 terms only we want to find. Therefore, S6 is equal to A into, A means 5 into 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay. Then S6 value is 6th term. Okay. Sum of the 6 terms. Sum of 6 terms. Answer we got. Okay. Very clear. Therefore, the answer is, therefore, S6 is equal to 1820 is the answer. Okay. Then second question, find the sum of first 10 terms of the GP 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. Okay. Here solution, Sn on find. Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus etc. Isn't it? Here A is equal to, you say A equal to 1. Correct? Then R equal to second term divided by first term. That means 2 divided by 1 is 2, isn't it? It is greater than 1. This 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Now n is, what is n? N equal to 10. Am I correct? Therefore, you will check it here. Common ratio greater than 1 means usually which formula we will use? Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. If r is greater than 1 means we will use this formula. Okay. Then you want to find out nth term, sum of n terms. Okay. That means then yes, n is 10, isn't it? Then equal to a is 1 into r is 2, then power 10 minus 1 divided by r is 2, isn't it? 2 minus 1. Okay, equal to 1 into 2 power 10. That means the 2 into 2, how many 2's? 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, like that. 10 times we have to multiply. That time you will get 1024 minus this 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, isn't it? Then 1 into 1024 minus 1 is 1023 divided by 1 is same number only we will get, isn't it? Then equal to 1023. Therefore the answer is yes, 10 is equal to 1024. Sorry, 1023. Am I correct? Have you understood? Here Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus etc. Then a is equal to 1, r equal to second term divided by first term. Okay, n equal to 10, and r greater than 1 means we have to use this formula. Okay, then here n terms, then 10 terms. Sum of first 10 terms you want to find. That means yes, 10 is equal to 1 into 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay. Then instead of a1 substitute, then everything is substitute. Okay. Then 2 power 10 is 1024 minus this 1 divided by 1. Okay. Any number divided by 1 is that same number. That means 1 into this to subtract 1023, and then 1 into 1023 is what? 1023. Correct? Third sum is find the sum to infinity of 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus etc. Okay. Then that means infinity. Okay. Infinite terms. Infinite terms means what's the formula? Then already we learned. Then yes, infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r is the formula, isn't it? A divided by 1 minus r. Okay. So we have to use that formula here. Okay. Then before here solution a equal to, here a equal to, what's the value? A equal to first term 9. Okay. Then r equal to second term divided by first term. That means 3 divided by 9. Correct? Then 1 3 is 3. Then 3 3's are 9, isn't it? And equal to 1 divided by 3. Okay? It is less than 1, isn't it? Then infinite, what's the formula? Infinitive. Then sum to infinitive. That means yes, infinitive. Okay? Sum to infinitive. Okay? Sum to infinity is equal to, formula is a divided by 1 minus r. Okay? A divided by 1 minus r. And equal to, what's the value of a? 9, isn't it? 9 divided by, then 1 minus r is 1 divided by 3. Okay. Then equal to this 9 divided by, denominator fraction is there, isn't it? So we have to take the LCM. What's the LCM here? This 2 term 3 is the LCM. Okay, this 3 we have to multiply here. 1 into 3 is 3. Okay, minus 1. Okay, then this to subtract. 9 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2, isn't it? 2 divided by 3 and equal to 9 divided by 2 divided by 3 is, take the denominator, we have to take the reciprocal and we have to multiply. Okay, then 9 divided by, take the reciprocal in the denominator, 2 divided by 3, what's the reciprocal? Very good. Okay, then into 3 divided by 2. Okay, this divided by no need. 9 into 3 divided by 2. Have understood? Then 9 divided by 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3. 9 we have to write first. Then take the reciprocal of this denominator. That means what we will get? 3 by 2, isn't it? Then shall we multiply? Numerator we have to multiply. 9 3s are 27 divided by 2. Very clear? Therefore, S infinitive. Okay, S infinitive is equal to, what's the formula? A divided by 1 minus R. Okay, infinitive means then we don't know, etc., etc. Up to how much we don't know. Okay, therefore S is infinity is equal to, what's the formula? A divided by 1 minus R. Then A place we have to substitute 9 and then R, instead of R here we have to substitute 1 by 3. Okay, take the LCM, take the reciprocal and multiply, and what's the answer we will get? 27 divided by 2. Okay, therefore the answer is equal to 27 divided by 2. Okay, very clear? Now let's see fourth sum. Find Sn for each of the geometric series described below. Okay, two questions are given. First one, A equal to 2 is given, R equal to 3 is given, N equal to 6. Second one, A equal to 2400, R equal to minus 3, N equal to 5. Okay, then first question we have to say first. Okay, first one, here series not given, isn't it? A is given, R is given, N is given. Then directly we can substitute in the formula. Okay, shall we start? Here R equal to 3, isn't it? Then given A equal to 2, then R equal to 3, it is greater than 1, isn't it? Then N equal to 6 is given. Okay, then R is greater than 1. So, which formula we can use here? Sn equal to A into R power N minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Why? R is greater than 1. Okay, so we select this formula. Okay, we select this formula. Then you want to find out then Sn, find Sn for each of the geometry series. Okay, N equal to, here 6 is given. So we have to substitute S, 6 equal to A. What is A? 2 into R value is here 3, isn't it? Then 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by R value is 3 minus 1. Am I correct? Then equal to 2 into 3 power 6 is, then 6 times we have to multiply. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, isn't it? This one 27, right? Here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This 27 into 27, this two multiply. Okay, multiply means what's value you will get? then is 27 into is 27. 7 sevens are 49, isn't it? 49, 4 balance. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Okay. Then 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 1 balance. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Correct? Then 9, here 2 add it, then 6, 7. 729. 729 minus this 1. Okay? Divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Very good. Okay? Shall we cancel any terms here? Check it. 1, 2 is 2. Here, this 1 we can cancel. Sorry, this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. Okay? Then this 2 subtract. 729 minus 1 is 728. Okay? Therefore, Sn is equal to what's the answer we got? 728. Therefore, answer is 728. Have you understood? Okay. Then second subdivision is A equal to 2400. Okay, what is given, right? Okay, given A equal to 2400, R equal to minus 3, then N equal to 5. Here you check it. R equal to, R is greater than 1 or less than 1? Very good. Here R equal to minus 3. This is less than 1. Okay. Less than 1 means which formula? We can write second formula, isn't it? That means Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n. Okay. Divided by what? 1 minus R. Okay. Why? Then R is less than 1. Okay, R is less than 1 means then we have to use this formula. Okay, then yes, 5 want to find, isn't it? Sum of 5 terms want to find. Okay, that means then S5 is equal to A value is 2400 into 1 minus R is minus 3. Then so we have to write then minus 3. Okay. Like this one, write this minus into minus 3 the whole power 5. Okay. Then divided by 1 minus R. R value is minus 3. So inside the bracket you should write it minus 3. Very clear? Then equal to 2400 into, okay, then 1 minus 3 the whole power 5 is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Then how many times you want to multiply? How many times? 5 times you want to multiply. Okay. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 is 27 into 3 is 81. Then 81 into 3 is, shall we check? 81 into 3. 1 3 is 3. 8 3s are 24. Okay, am I correct? Multiplication. So we have to substitute this value here. Then minus into minus. Here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Then odd power means here we will get minus. Suppose here even power means then positive value we will get. Okay. Then minus into minus is plus. Okay. Plus into minus is minus. Then minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Okay. Like that here minus value only we will get. Okay. Minus then minus 243. Okay. Close the bracket. Divided by 1 here minus into minus is plus, isn't it? Then plus 3. Okay, then equal to 2400. Okay, 2400 into, then 1 minus into minus is plus, 243 divided by 4. Correct? Shall we cancel this 4? 4 is 4. Here how many times? 6 times, isn't it? 6 4s are 24. Okay, this double 0 we have to write here. Okay, then equal to 600 into this, to add it, then 244, isn't it? Then shall we multiply this to? Okay, 244, okay, into 600. So shall we multiply into 600? Okay, then 6 4s are 24, 2 balance, then 6 4s are 24, and then add this to 26, okay, then 2 balance, 6 2s are 12, isn't it? Then balance 2 and 14, add it, 14. Okay, this double 0 also add it here. Correct? Then, so we have to write this answer here. 1,46,400. Okay, how do you read this one? 1,46,400. Therefore, the answer is 1,46,400. Are you clear this one? Here minus, suppose r is negative means it is less than 1, isn't it? So in that case then we have to use this formula. Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay. Suppose then a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. That formula also you can use here. No problem. Okay. Anyway, calculation somewhat difficult for you. So only then directly if you use this formula means easy for you. Okay. Then so values, all values substitute. Here don't confuse it here. Any number power 5. Here minus 3 the whole power 5. Yeah, odd power means here minus only we will get. Suppose even power means positive it will come. Okay. Then add it, minus into minus is plus here. Okay. And then divided by 4. Then cancel is to multiply. Then we will get the answer. Are you clear? Have understood? Children, shall I give some homework? Using these formulas and definitions. Okay. Then first 3 questions, fill in the blanks. Okay, one word question. Okay, read the question and write the answer. Okay. Then 4th and 5th question. Then find sum to infinity. Infinity means you know the formula, isn't it? Which is, what's the formula you say? Yes, infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r is the formula. That formula you should use. Okay. Then 5th sum is, now we did know that same order. Can you do? Very good. Thank you children. Have a nice day.